Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Rubi Network, a platform that's making waves in the crypto world. Much like the Pi network did, Rubi allows you to mine cryptocurrency directly from your smartphone, making it accessible and straightforward for everyone. Why Rubi Network? Rubi is designed to be a social networking platform that integrates blockchain technology, aiming to increase income for all users. By participating, you're joining a community that's at the forefront of digital currency innovation. How to get started? First, download the app. Head over to the Google Play Store and search for Rubi. Once you find it, tap Install to download the app to your device. Register an account. Open the Rubi app and tap on Register. Choose Register with Google for a quick setup. Fill in your email, create a username, enter your phone number, set a password, and don't forget to use my referral code to get an instant 1 RBL token and join my team. I will put my referral code in the description below. I'll be there to guide you every step of the way. I will create a Telegram group for our team to guide you. Only the person who registered using my referral code will be added on the group. But guys, reminder, ensure all the information matches your government-issued ID. This will be crucial when you go through the KYC process later on. Now you can start mining. After registering, tap the mine icon daily to start earning RBL coins. It's that simple. Next is setting up your wallet. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the app. Click on Start Creating Wallet. You'll receive a recovery hashcode. Make sure to save this in a secure place. After saving, click Ready. Choose hashcode and paste the hashcode you saved earlier to import your wallet. Next is the KYC verification. To fully enjoy all the features of Rubi, you'll need to complete the KYC process. However, new users must meet 3 conditions. 30-day ownership. You need to have been mining for at least 30 consecutive days. Keep in mind, updating your information can reset this timer. Accumulate 30 RBL tokens. Regular mining should help you reach this goal. If you're short, feel free to contact me on Telegram. I will put my Telegram username in the description below. I'm selling RBL tokens to help you out. Receive KYC invitation. After meeting the above conditions, you'll receive an invitation from the Rubi team to complete your KYC. Here is my final thoughts. The Rubi Network offers a fantastic opportunity to dive into cryptocurrency mining with minimal effort. By following these steps and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to building your RBL holdings. Remember, consistency is key. Happy mining and welcome to the Rubi community.